Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I've got here banga cookies or cereal cookies. They're very easy to make. You make it from what you have for breakfast. You might have cornflakes, oats with some coconut. Please continue watching. Like creaming the margarine, you can use butter, it's okay. Once the margarine is softened, add in the brown sugar. I'll be using two types of sugar. I'm also going to use white sugar. I started mixing by hand. If you're Nigerian, you know the reason. A break from the creaming, I'm going to put flour in a bowl. The recipe says no sifting, but if the flour has some impurities, sieve it. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Other dry ingredients I'm going to add are the baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Adding cornflakes, it's cornflakes cookies, 1 cup oats, 1 cup, the coconut is half a cup. Back to the creaming. I'm going to add 1 beaten egg to this. Is well combined. Adding the dry ingredients. The flour has been well blended in. I'm going to add in the oats and the cornflakes. I'll add the coconut last. Lastly, the coconut goes in. I am greasing a paper-lined oven tray. Take this by spoonfuls and I'm going to shape it into a ball. Let's go again. This one, I got the hang of it now. One hand. Flatten these cookies with my hands, shape it so it's perfect or a little bit perfect. That's what I want it to be. And this is not the only batch that I got. I have 2 other batches too. Here are the batches that I'm going to bake as well. Into the oven it goes. 60 minutes later, it is done. While it is still hot, it doesn't stick. It's very open. While it cools down, I want to thank you all for being there, for subscribing, for liking, for watching. Thank you all, and may you have a prosperous and great 2025. And I wouldn't go without showing you what the inside of the cookie should look like. So here's the cookie. It is crunchy if you like crunch. and it's perfect for school lunch. Kids can love it. You can even reduce the sugar if you want to by a tablespoon or so. Bye bye. See you soon.